Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to create a card in your workspaces in a Trello website. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to connect to your Trello application or website application, web application I mean, and then you need to follow these simple steps. So after you succeed in connecting with your account in your web application, you will need just to go to the board where you want to add cards. So basically I'm here in this workspace and I have these two boards. You can either create a new board or just go and edit a board. So basically I have this daily board. I'm going to click on it, and of course I have these three lists, and each list has these multiple cards. So basically you can add a card by just clicking on add card, as you can see, and you click on it. And of course you can have multiple options to this card. For example, you can add members to it. So I'm going to add this one. And so for example, to recognize or to remind you that this task, for example, is assigned to this person or other things, you can give it a label. So for example, we are going to give it this color, and of course we can have it some position, give it the position here. Is it already finished or while in doing here? And let's add task 2, for example, and then we are going to click on task. So as you can see, now you can make it make it visible or have another view of this task or this card. And of course you can give it more details, like adding a description. You can add a checklist for it. You can add an image, so you can give it images if you want, so attachments. And of course we are going to search in computer. For example, I will search for this image, and basically it will upload this file, and an image has been assigned to our or a cover has been assigned to our task or card. You can give it a date of assignments, for example. You can do multiple, and you can have multiple idea to set your cards here in Trello. And basically now we have a more detailed and customizable and more managed or more organized cards here in Trello. So basically this is how you create cards in Trello. Thank you for watching and see you next time.